Alright, so here's this Toastmaster 20-inch box fan. Doing this outside because, you know, the lighting's good, so why not? Yeah, I got this in 2021 and did a video of it, and now I'm doing a better video of it with better lighting, of course. Cleaned this fan up, welded its motor, and now it runs pretty damn good. It's got the plastic handle, 3-speed. That's how much I got it for. In my opinion, this is like the bare minimum of cheap box fans when it came to the 80s. It's got the lovely brownish color. Got a McMillan motor. Cord comes out right there. I may have oiled it a little too much because there is some oil in the cabinet that spilled out, I guess. But yeah, it runs alright. Main reason why I say these are like the bare minimum fans is because, well, cheap handle first of all, brittle grills, really like wobbly cabinet, really thin metal, and motor is loud as hell. It vibrates a lot, so we'll go ahead and start it on high speed. Oh, I forgot to plug in the thing, hold on. Before I turn it on, there's the Toastmaster logo. Missing one slat in the front and one grill slat in the back, and that one's cracked. So I'll go ahead and start it on high speed. Yeah, pretty loud, shakes like hell. And really does not move that much air. I think because these blades are a little big for the cabinet, it kind of gets choked up, so it doesn't really move the greatest amount of air. Kick it down to medium. It slows way down on the lower speeds. Sorry, I have a friend over. Yeah, it slows way down on medium speed. And there's just a little breeze. And now low. And gets even slower on low speed. It's pretty much silent on low speed too. It actually moves a nice amount of air on low. Yeah, silent. It's a good fan to have in the window on low speed and medium speed. High speed's just kind of loud and not really the most effective when it comes to high speed on box fans. This one doesn't have any startup noises, unfortunately. The back of it. Back to high. And off. I think the main thing is these blades just have a lot of drag. And it doesn't have the longest spin down. But after oiling it, it's much better now. So anyways, yeah, there's this Toastmaster 20-inch box fan. Thanks for watching.